People make fatal mistake doing a lot of things. You don't want to make any fatal mistake with electrical work because either you or the customer will pay for it. Some people do this. They take a wire and with the and they don't bend it or anything like that and tighten up the screw, hoping that it will stay connected. I just wanted to show you, 'cause I find this, more common than I should. And, just because it looks good, tight fit, it doesn't mean it's good. Look, if you play around, you could wiggle it out, even though the screw is tight. So the right way to do it is you get a wire stripper or a plier and you bend it, make it into U shape, and, put it around the screw. And I like to take it one step ahead. I take the wire stripper or a plier, then I like to squeeze the ends so that even if the screw ever comes loose, the wire would not disconnect. I mean, this is just a switch. It's no big deal, but if you're working on an outlet, that's really a big deal. All right, you will have a short in the box. The worst case scenario, in case of switch, it will just turn the light on or off, depending on where the wire gets connected. So this is what I do, and I want to take it one more level higher. Is I like to put electrical tape. Once you get all the wiring, this is just a demonstration, so you only have one wire. Usually you have two wires. Remember, a switch is just a bridge for electron to pass through from one wire to the other, and you are the one who's controlling the bridge. That's what it is. It's basically wired inline in the circuit. So you could either put piece of electric wire just to connect the terminals. Just to cover the terminals, or you could just put one round loop of electrical wire just to cover those terminals so that it doesn't connect to the box. This is more relevant for outlet than the switch, but in this case, it doesn't cause any harm. Please like and subscribe to this channel and share it with your family and friends. It will be useful for the video and for my channel. So I want to show you one more thing, since you stayed this long with the video, is taking it off. It's difficult as well. See, even if you want to take it off, you're not going to be able to. So you would have to use either a screwdriver or plier to open it wider, and then you are able to take off. So this is just a demonstration of how effective this method is. Thank you for watching.